Number 15 is kind of one of my favorites. I use it all the time. I use it in airports. I use it when I'm dealing with customer service. Don't do things because someone else said you should or you're supposed to or you have to. Question that. But if you do question it, you have to question it in such a fashion that you're like, I think there's a better way. Like in that fee example, I would say, let's talk about value. How many resumes do you typically get before you decide to interview someone? Most people don't even know. But if that number is 15 or 25, what if my number's 2? Isn't that worth more? Isn't that worth your time? If we can expedite the hiring process of a critically skilled employee so that he or she is performing this particular valuable task sooner, that might be worth millions. And you and I are bickering over $2,000, $5,000? Put these things in context. Don't accept people who tell you you have to do it this way because. Question authority. Question the status quo.